And I'm making everybody run around Tennessee right now. Around Tennessee. Hey, Big Joe, you blowing smoke down in Manchester on the backside of old JJ's beams there. Hey, Big Joe. Back on the mound, Hey, running man, I'm making over 018 How long? Still sounding good in Tennessee, man. 018 Beavis told you that. I thought you do all that. Hello, Mudslinger. Mudslinger down by you. Mudslinger sounded real good in Tennessee, man. 018 Beavis with the way. 018. Don't worry about 018 Big Joe. It's all up in your radio. Get your mind off 018 Big Joe. We get on down. No, Mudslinger. Hey, man. Hey, Mudslinger, you're making a good trip to Tennessee. I appreciate you always. Make Tennessee Beavis with the way. Hey, slow motion. Hey, slow motion, ain't nothing but... Hey, slow motion, you got that thing going on around here. Bye, Mudslinger, bye, Mudslinger. I'm standing by. Going on, but you got it going on 30 dB around Tennessee. 24, Big Joe on the ground playing one more time. Watch me go. That dog, get that dog. You're a wild party snatcher on this one all big vertical beam, and I'm getting on down. You're live wire. 24. Just got down. I don't know why 018 can't do nothing with my damn Mako 300, man. I don't know why that damn donkey stomper. Hello, 970 Illinois. Hello, 970 Illinois. You sound real good in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee. This is the way. Don't get it. He's going to go back to the drawing board. Big Joe, we got now. Smoke good downtown homicide. Sound real good up there in Illinois, man. Sound real good. 018 Tennessee, but it's a toy. Hey, don't worry about them old donkey stompers. When I get you a Mako 300, that thing will run forever. Don't worry about no donkey stompers. Just get you a damn good old Mako 300 and run that thing, you'll keep on going. Ain't no whooping like a Mako. You'll get down. How about your dirty bird one time? That's one man. Big Bubba in the Buckeye. The Tin Man's waving right. Hello, Outlaw 77. Hey, man. How you doing, Mr. Outlaw 77? I'm coming your way. I got to roll the beam back around here, man. Outlaw 77, 018. 24, Big Joe with the wave. Hey, Outlaw 77, you got sloppy copies in there. So Mako, I'm going to squeeze the trigger on this Mako 300 do my old. No, Big Joe got down. Hey, one time 300, I heard you from Texas. Hey, 300. Oh, 214 in Kansas. 214 in Kansas. Hello. We don't let them donkeys stop over down good over in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee, Beavis with the wave. Hey, Kilowatt. I don't want you trying to holler at you, but tell him Big Joe. Outlaw 77, Outlaw. Hey, Outlaw 77 sounded real good in Tennessee, man. 018 Beavis with the wave. Hey, come on again. Hey, Kilowatt. Old Big Joe just squeeze the trigger on this Mako 300. You don't get high about it. Yeah, you might. All 37, there's a bunch in there, but you sounded real good, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave. I said, peace, monkey, dirty bird. Zero monkey gone again. How about out there, DX Land? How about out there, DX Land? Tiger Paul, 223 in the Buckeye. We trying, break. Alright, Outlaw 37, man, it's Rob and Tucking there, but I hear you in there, man. I want to get off there and listen in and read the mail. Go for any 10, 01A Beavis up there. Down doggy stalker with the way. In on that. Outlaw thing's a little bit raspy sounding. I don't really know why, but it's a little raspy sounding, but you're coming off most. Maybe it's 1-3 in, but creep up his backbone one more time. Kids in the background, big cat. Leave them dumb putters on the back. See what them kids is up to. You're a dirty bird, I'll see you. Go, and I'll let him have some air time. Shake your bad wave. Dirty. I'm going to get bye-bye. I didn't hear anybody say 309. I'll see you.
Hey, Max, 2000 ground plane.
I'm going to have to go bury my head. Hey, Kilowatt. And Big Joe. Hey, Kilowatt. Big Joe going to creep up on old 018's backbone and take that old donkey tail off. I'm pinning the tail on that donkey. Hey, slow motion, Kilowatt, tell old Beavis up there, 018, Big Joe playing pin to tail on the donkey stomper, and I got down. Hello, Kilowatt boy! Hey, slow motion, Kilowatt, both of you on my radio, man, I'm playing pin to tail on the donkey stomper. Hey, Kilowatt, slow motion, tell 018 I'm playing pin to tail on the donkey stomper I got down. You better play my ear, slow motion. How old are they taking? BC. 018 Say Mama Smurf. Hey, BC, around the yard, can you hear old pump? Hey, slow motion, you got sold on my radio right there. Hey, slow motion, you pin the tail on him now. We playing pin the tail on the donkey stomper there, you just pin the tail. Oh, Kilowatt down there, no doubt about it. Oh, Big Joe, watch me go. Alright, Bible Thumper, sure did. Bible Thumper, I had you in my receive. I apologize for calling you VC. Mr. Bible Thumper, they call me old Papa Smurf in the wilderness. Hey, Kilowatt, you know slow motion taking over my radio. There's one thing about it. Oh, Big Joe playing pin the tail on the donkey stomper, and I'm getting down. We getting on side. Look at Big Joe. Oh, out there, Bible Thumper, Big Joe and these EOs on the ground plane looking your way. All up here in the Buckeye. Alright there, BT, I'll take a pause for the code, man, let you get on that phone call on everybody. 24 Big Joe on the ground plane, getting down.
10, take care, 74.
Liar, pants on fire. Big Joe. Fire, pants on fire. Oh, shotgun out there, lady. Hammer, lady. Now, there's somebody say, what's up, shotgun? The shotgun trying to get it back to you. Come on. Other side, 74. I'm gone. Who was it down in Texas? They were on a wave. Oh, son. I thought I heard a big brother say you come from an office. I'll have to take a pause for station identification. I'll see you at 309. Chicago, waiting to stand by. Hello, slow motion. Hello, bottle thumper. Hello, slow motion. Hello, bottle thumper. 018, Tennessee. Beavis, wave one more time. Lord Big Joe, what's the wave?
290's on.
Roger, bottle thumper. You're trying to get over here in Tennessee too, man. 018, Beavis, what's the wave? You sounding real good around Tennessee, man. Hey, bottle thumper, you Hey, bottle thumper, 24, Big Joe and his heels getting on down. WW309, I'll see ya. I think it was slow motion and had you plugged up. I couldn't quite make it. But I'll second Big Joe on Hey, I got you, everybody. Well, Thumper, you sound real good around Tennessee. I think the neighbors 018, but I had to get in there and say hello to you. Hey, Bible Thumper, you sound real good around Tennessee. Keep up the good work. I didn't mean to squeeze that trigger like that rich ground plane. Bible Thumper, Big Joe and his heels back out.